That's mama boy.
My name's Kian, and this is my 2020 Mafia bomber. As you can see, it's pretty fresh. And the bomb's on my Instagram now. So yeah. What I did was I got rid of my Mafia C because I prefer the eBay Cs. And they're literally £20, so we'll put a link to them in here. And I had my XT on, but my XT popped, so we'll put my Tetra.
Explain what happened, how you popped your XT.
Right, so basically, I took the pads out of my Tetra and put it in my XT, but because Tetra pads are like way too fat for the XT, I squeezed it in and this oil popped out the vent.
Stupid!
I love the bars, like the old Mafia bars, they were decent, but as you can see, look at like the width and like this part here, like it's better for surfing, like better for leg over bars. You can see like how lower the bars are and they're like, a lot more wider, so I prefer them a lot better to the old. Right, so I have my hip grain. I was in hip grain. Right, so I still have my Hitman grips on because I'm going to order some ODIs eventually, but I just think they look nice with the colourway because I love the black and yellow, like the metallic black, and the yellow looks so nice, like it stands out so much. So that's one of my favourite parts about the bike. I love the colourway, like the metallic black and the yellow just looks so fresh. So yeah, that's the only colourway I wanted to get for the 29 because it literally just stands out so much, the yellow. I still have my snakeskins on. They're 29 by 2.5, but I've ordered hookworms, so they should be coming next week, so taking these off and putting the hookworms on. So I kept the Stop Mafia pedals on because I think at the moment they're better than BMRs. Like, they barely spin and they have reflectors and that on them, so yeah, they are pretty fresh, I like them. I got these Halford pegs for like £8. And I've had them since I got my Medusa. I just put them on my bomber because I like them. They're long and yeah, I like them. I rode this bike to my Medusa because like it's just a lot bigger. Like it's better for swerves.
Yeah, it's a 29-inch, so it's a lot better for like swerving.
I prefer the bars. The bars are just so nice, and I just put the colours like 10 times better. And overall rating on this bike, I'll give it a solid 9 out of 10. Literally, I love it so much.
What do you think the, like, 10, what would make it a 10?
Cranks.
Yeah, I think what would make
spin.
I think what would make it, the only thing which I think is bad with this bike is, and it's pretty much most Mafia, it's not this is Mafia, but it's the cranks. The cranks spin, and
my Medusa cranks were so good, they didn't spin at all, but these ones spin quite a lot. They barely spin, but they just feel like a lot more free, like not stiff.
Yeah. To make this bike a 10, like stock, so say this bike was stock, Mafia could upgrade the brake. I think if they made, yeah, to be honest though, if they upgraded the brake and got like fixed the crank problem, which pretty much most Mafias had, yeah, the bike would be literally a 10. Yeah.
Now we're gonna get into an edit of the bike.
I'm pretty sure they're landing because we're at a hospital right now. Yeah, they're actually landing as well. That's close.
So low.
That's so low. I come. That was mad.
That was so loud.
That hurt my ears.
Yeah,